All right, guys, so Apple and the new phones, they're coming next month. We all know this. Now, you already know the hype machine is working overtime, and all we're hearing is get ready to drop that fresh 1200 on the new phone. The new phones are coming. The Ultra might be like 2500. But just wait a second. Before you empty out your pockets, hear me out. Picking up a used or refurbished iPhone 15 Pro Max, it might actually be the single smartest tech move that you can make right now in 2026. So here are 5 quick reasons why this phone is an absolute steal right now. Right now, the price drop is insane. So you're dodging the brutal depreciation hit. When this phone launched, it started again at about 1200, but right now you can easily grab an unlocked 256 gigabyte model for about 630 bucks on different sites like Black Market or Swappa. So that's about 50% off from what it still looked like brand new, but still feels and performs like a brand new flagship in every way. Let someone else pay full price for the initial hype phone that is going to drop soon and save yourself $500-600 bucks. Number 2, it's going to have full-blown Apple Intelligence compatibility. Yeah, Apple AI. I understand the laughter. I get it. But you're not going to miss out on the future of AI. So under the hood on the 15 Pro Max, we have the 3 nanometer A17 Pro chip with 8 gigs of RAM, which happens to be the exact minimum hardware requirement to run native on Apple devices for Apple Intelligence and all the features. While other standard models get left behind, this beast has all the muscle that it needs for the latest AI tricks and software updates for, well, years. Come on, let's be real. It's going to be a long time before this phone gets slow. All right, reason number 3, and it is the physical hardware. This phone is just beautiful. This is the Grade 5 titanium chassis that just feels incredibly premium. We all know the pros and cons of it at this point, but the feel of it is incredible. Plus, we do have the customizable action button on here, and you still have USB-C. So we're getting the 10 gigabytes USB-C 3 transfer speeds, and you can finally charge your laptop, your camera, and your phone with the cable. No more lightning, even on this older phone. Number 4, the telephoto, the 5X telephoto, still a beast. So the camera setup on this phone is still just absolutely beautiful. The 5X optical teleprism telephoto lens, obviously you're going to get nice crispy photos, detailed zoom shots from anywhere in the room. So whether you are taking concert videos, portrait shots, or recording 4K footage, it doesn't really matter. You're getting a pro-grade camera on here that will compete with phones that are just launching right now. You put these side by side, I mean, they're going to look pretty damn close. And now for the final reason number 5. So look, in the weeks right before the big annual Apple keynote, it's that kind of like, it's the golden hour, that golden window. People are trading in their older iPhones like crazy to prepare for upgrades, which floods the market, and that brings the price down. So again, we talked about price earlier. Buying refurbished nowadays, it's not a sketchy gamble like it used to be. There are just a lot of reasons to do it. Some even give you warranties. So you can find like really good deals on used devices right now. And if you need help with that, I'm here to help you out. Just leave me a comment and I'll make a whole video on how to find the best used deals on tech. So while everyone else lines up to spend crazy money next month, especially if you're getting the folding phone, just cruise around with a titanium flagship for about 600 bucks, and it's going to be cheaper next month. So are you grabbing a deal on 15 Pro Max, or are you going to wait for the new phones to launch? Let me know down in the comments. Hit that like button if this helped you out. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later, man. Peace.